What's up, guys? It's January 10th, 2025. I've been playing around with my mic and messing around with some OBS settings. So let me know how I sound. It's difficult because half the people say I sound good, the other half say I sound bad. So I've turned up the volume. I've yada yada YouTubed it, whatever. So pretty good day. We had a range day. Didn't start out as a range. We all thought it was gonna be a trend day. Daily chart. It makes me so mad. I shorted here. I got out here. I bought down here and got crushed today. My options contract expired for $2. So I'm gonna start another options contract roll in February. I'm gonna play it a little more strategically this time. It's gonna be fun because I am. It's gonna be fun because trading is fun. So daily chart, we have three pushes down, leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three, wedge bottom. Something interesting. These two bottoms had tails. Tail. This bottom closes on a slow. So will we see further prices, or could this have been an exhaustion? Today's breakout bar was a news bar, but it doesn't matter. Today's downtrend was faster than the rest of the downtrends. Actually, hold on. So look at today's downtrend. One bar, it's fast moving, big breakouts, small pullbacks. And then look at the rest of these. Yeah, actually, this is pretty nice, but there's some overlap, gap up. Here we had a lot of overlap, and then we went sideways, gap down, breaking out of the range. Yeah, bar one breaks out the range. So think about that. What is that a characteristic of? Fast moving bars, we've had three legs down, and they're bigger than normal. That's a climax. Now we could go sideways, or we could sell, or we could start. This could be the start to a new breakout. We didn't close below the 20th low in December, but we did trade below it by. I guess that's where that big reversal came from. There was some buy orders down here. They got their scalp. Big gap down with follow through bars 1 and 2. Follow through bar 1. Follow through bar 2. Bar 2 has a lot of overlap, and bar 3 is the first pullback after a big gap down with follow through. I think that's a good short. Bar 4, good breakout. We put a small gap in here. Bar 6, another pullback, and this is becoming the third pullback, leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Price action is fractal. Everything I just explained about this three-legged push down being climactic, just copy and paste it onto this leg right here. So what do I mean by that? Smaller leg, bigger leg, biggest leg. I was watching the markets. I didn't really trade. I took one trade on a sim account on my phone, so don't worry about it. I didn't trade today because I was at work. But this was a fast selling bar, and it was bigger than the rest. I saw this bar sell off. So this is the third push down. It's climactic on a smaller time frame. So on a smaller time frame, let me make this thing smaller. This is a pullback. This is a pullback. This is a pullback, and then this is a fast leg 1. So on a smaller time frame, leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3. That's a parabolic wedge in its third leg on a higher time frame. So I'm jumping around. I don't know if you got Nike. Okay, so 5 minute. Now let's go down to the 1 minute. That's a parabolic wedge. Leg 1, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, double bottom, and we rally. This is a parabolic wedge on the 1 minute. So on the 5 minute, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. It's a parabolic wedge. Have to get out of shorts. Momentum is slowing down. Look at the bars. This is a great bar closing on slow. Another bear bar closing on slow, but we're not closing past bar 8's low range. Bar 9 doesn't close past bar 8's range, so momentum is slowing down. If you're a breakout trader, you have to be cognizant that the momentum is slowing down. Get out and wait for a pullback. We're in the third leg, so expect trading range price action. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Maybe we go sideways for a few days. The market went sideways here in leg 3. Very deep pullback. And both have a parabolic wedge. Take this lesson and throw it right on top of here. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. 3, pull back. Leg 4, deep pullback, parabolic wedge 16. 16 is a parabolic, is climactic on the 1 minute time frame. Leg 1, pullback. Leg 2 creates a second leg trap on the 5 minute time frame. It's very important we start piecing together what's going on here. You know what? It's so important. I'm going to favorite it. Look at that. Welcome to the club, buddy. So here's the parabolic wedge on the 1 minute. I really wish I might pay for the 100. I want the 100-second chart. Prefer the 100-second. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3. Ooh, even that's pretty dangerous right there. Lots of overlap. Really weak breakout. That's that row of dojis on the 5 minute. Pull back. Leg 4, deeper pullback. And here's a parabolic wedge. Bar 78, the nicest looking bull bar late in a trend with a gap. That's a climactic gap that should get closed. It gets closed on 80.81. And just so everyone knows, all the new guys, all the new gals, I only trade the 5 minute chart, but we have to know what's going on a smaller time frame and what's going on a bigger time frame. So this is how we start to use our trader's imagination to understand the market and what the bars are doing. This rally let out the bulls that were trapped on 6. Bulls bought here, bought more lower. They get out at a profit at the original target because they have a second. So they buy here, they buy here. Their average price is right here, and they're in profits with bar 11. And then they rally to their previous close, creating a double top. A double top is created because one side is trapped. So in this case, well, yeah, the bull side is trapped. Bulls buy here, they get out their original entry. Bears want to short the range highs because it's range bound price action, and then they sell. So that's why bulls are selling at this level, trapped bulls, and bears are selling at this level. Smart bears know that they're trapped here. And then we get another leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, deep pull back leg 4. See, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. What happens in trading ranges or what happens to price action in leg 3 is we go range bound. Look, leg 3, we went sideways, and then we trade to the high of bar 24 with bar 27. That's the high of the range, and then 26. So bears sell the high. So this is a crazy video. Take this lesson and apply it right here. Copy and paste the lesson. The bulls that got trapped here bought more lower, got out here at the original entry, creating a double top, and that led to 2 legs lower. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3. 3 legs on a smaller time frame. So let's go down to the 1 minute. Double top, triple top, however you want to call it. There's a smaller time frame, 3 legs lower. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3, pull back. Leg 4, rally. You guys see how the markets are fractal? It's copy. We're just copy and pasting these lessons. Now we've got a wedge bottom. Talking about copy and pasting these lessons. We have a wedge bottom on the 5 minute. We have a wedge bottom on the daily. On the 5 minute, after the wedge bottom, we rallied. So it'd be interesting to see what happens on the daily time frame. 3 bull bars at range lows. I think it's safe to get out of shorts. This is a spiking channel. It's the spike here. We have 3 bull bars, so that's a spike. And on the 1 minute, that's also a spike. Here's that spike, deep pullback 173. And we rally, spike and channel for a couple hours. Back to the 5 minute. Spike, deep pullback 35. Rally, strong rally 36 all the way to 42. I'm a fan of buying the low of 43. 43 is a bad sell signal in a bull trend. This is a bull trend. Bears that are trapped here are gonna have to buy back shorts. Just how bulls got trapped here, they have to buy here. Bears that are trapped here, if they don't want to take a loss, they're gonna have to short here and get out at least their average price, which would be around here. And you can see that it vacuumed down 55, 56. So they made a little bit of money. Let's see how much money. They get trapped here. They short higher. They made 10 points. Or they actually could have held to their original entry, 69, 60. They could have made some money. We're in a range bound price action, so you can definitely average in. I don't recommend it. I don't average in. I do average in. I don't do it all the time. Really strong channel. No, it's not. There's lots of overlap. 36 is a great bar closing on its high. 37 is a great bar closing on its high. 38, momentum is dying down. 39, we can see that bullish pressure picking back up, but we don't close above 38's high. Then we go sideways to up 40, 41, 42. First pullback, it fails. First reversal principle, I believe it's called. I can't remember. First attempt, some. The principle is on a strong trend, the first reversal is going to fail. That's my favorite type of trade. Strong trend, first reversal fails. 4, 5, strong trend, first reversal fails. 7, 8, 9, strong breakout, but the reversal did not. The reversal made money. We're in a range. Bulls buy low. So again, breakout, first reversal 43, it fails, and then we get a nice leg here. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. That's a wedge top, and you can see that bears tried to sell 51. They get trapped, they sell higher, make money right away. Let's go back to the 1 minute time frame and talk about this leg, because I just called out 3 legs. This is a simple leg on the 5 minute. There's that 3 legs, you guys see? And what happens after the third leg? It's range bound price action. And here's that slightly up. Do you guys remember that example I gave of the gunshot? If you shoot a bullet into a box, the momentum is gonna generally come out in the same angle. So you shoot the bullet here, blah, 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 boom, out the same angle. Let's think about this box as a bullet. So this is the bullet. It gets shot into this box and it comes out at the same angle. So 3 legs, double bottom, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3, and we go sideways. We'll try and get another breakout, but it fails. Here's a gap on the 5 minute. And yeah, we see this price action. We just saw it again. Weak leg 1, pull back leg 2, second leg trap at range highs. Now we have a real structure here. Wedge top, parabolic wedge top. You could call it something like that too. Bears that get trapped on 43 want to short higher, so they short the parabolic wedge, knowing that we should see higher prices. We're at the high of a trading range. This is the previous swing 3. So now the concept that I talked about here, bulls get trapped here, they buy more here, they get out here. The bulls that got trapped here, because there's a tail on bar 4, so we know there's trapped bulls who bought the high of 3 thinking it was a good pin bar reversal. After 2 legs lower, it would be a second leg trap in trading range. They were wrong, they're trapped. They buy a position here, they buy a position here. They start scaling into what becomes a winning trade. Here's that double top. So now we have a double top for trap bulls. They're going to sell, and we have trap bears here who want to sell higher, and they sell off and they make money. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, pull back leg 4. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. We have minor second leg traps here. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, second leg trap for the bulls. That's a great short. Leg 1, deep pullback, 150% pullback, bar 64. I'm talking from the bull perspective here. So the bulls that bought this sat through 150% pullback. Here's the 50%. So 150, 100. So they buy here, 50%, 100%, 150%. They buy more. They make money creating a double top, so that's the topic of the day, I suppose. And they get trapped. They sell out here, and they create the last bear leg down, and then we go sideways, big up, big down, TTR trading range. Let's talk about the measured moves. Guys, let me know what you think of this breakdown. I'm gonna really focus on fractal price action, and we're still gonna talk about micro channels, still gonna talk about gaps, but we need to understand what's going on behind the bars, where the traders are trapped, how these bars are moving, why these bars are moving, and we're gonna make some fucking money this year, mate. Top of this bar 1 hours met, 1.5 hours met, and 2 hours down here, and that's also met. Another reason to take profits. Bears that shorted this made 2 hours pretty quick. Another strong bar. Take the measured moves of these 2 bars, put it on the high here, and that's met. Ooh, it's barely met. You know, you guys scalp out. Again, we had the conversation. That's a parabolic wedge. It's the third leg down, so it's 3 legs. So leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Third leg, leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Third leg, so you're going to have to take profits. Rally, leg 1, leg 2. I think this is good for a scalp. We have a reversal bar closing on its high, but you got to scalp out. It's counter trend. I'm not going to draw that in. 3 bars lower with a pullback. Going to have to scalp out. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. 27 position in trading range. bears fail to break out. So you gotta start scalping out when you see three bear bars or excuse me. You gotta start scalping out shorts when you see three bull bars in a row. 35 deep pullback. I think you could take this for a scalp now. You can buy 36 because that closed on its high. What the heck? There, 1R is met, and that's a profit taking bar. Looks like bears trying to get short here. They're trapped again. Now we know bears are trapped. Let's go for that measured move. There's about 6 bars in a row there. We fade it. We meet 1R here. 1.5R fails. In tight trading, not in tight trading ranges. Avoid trading in tight trading ranges. In trading ranges, we got to scalp out. If you get more than 1R, great. If you get 1R, that's fantastic. If you get less than 1R, scalp out because it will turn around on you. These are the only trades that really, this is the only trade that was flush, and every other trade was either a hit right away, 1R hit right away, or a turn around. This met, but that's a really small target. This was met, and then if you didn't take profits, it would turn around and you'd be almost at your entry. So yeah, there are trap bulls here. The bulls I bought here were trying to save their position when they saw 55, 56, and it went sideways. There are bears that got trapped here trying to sell their position and save themselves, so they got sideways. We have two sides that are trapped. I suppose there is this last measured move here because C57 has a tail, so that's a bear bar at the low. So there's 3 bear bars. Put it at the high of the second leg trap, and that's met with bar 73. So you'd be pushing it, but if you're profitable, no reason to stop trading. I always forget to draw on the gaps as I'm talking about them. So draw on these gaps and tie a ribbon on it. Good Friday. Let me know what you guys think of this video. The volume should be louder, which is like everyone says I sound like I'm mumbling. I don't think I'm mumbling because some people say it sounds great. So I don't know if it's settings, but a decent amount of people have told me by now that it does sound like I am mumbling. So, and in person, I'm a pretty quiet person. This is the most talking I do is when I make these videos in real life. So I might be mumbling. Lots of gaps, but they're all getting closed, right? This gap stayed open. That kept the bear pressure. There's no gaps on these first 2 bear legs, so we got to ask ourselves, how strong is it really? Here's a gap that stayed open, EOD. There we go, guys. Take a screenshot, study, do your thing. Happy Friday. If you learned something, share the show. I would really appreciate it. You send the show to your friends. Let me know what they think. Let me know what you think. Talk to me in the Discord. Ask some questions. It's getting spicy. I love the questions you guys are asking me. Thank you. I appreciate it. You guys are making me better traders. Together, we're going to make a lot of money this year. This year, I'm learning how to make money. Last year, I studied. I built a system. This year, I'm taking a psychology class to learn how to like push the envelope. Next year, I'm coming for that Ferrari. So you guys have a good one. I'll talk to you later. Thank you for your support. Bye.